Oh yeah, look at those fresh mint chocolate chip cookies fresh out of the oven. My wife just got done making these, and we're going to show you exactly how she makes these. This is a recipe for about 16 to 18 cookies. She's getting things started here by collecting some mint leaves off of our herb garden on our deck, or simply just get your mint leaves from your favorite produce department. 10 to 25 grams of mint leaves does the trick. In our case, we're going to go with a more subtle taste, so we're going with only 10 grams. And for easy reference, we do list all of the ingredients right in the description below, where you can easily copy and paste. Julie gets things started here with a half a cup of sugar, right into a nice large mixing bowl, and that gets followed up with our freshly rinsed off mint leaves. And now it's time to blend this all together. She's using her Peach Street hand blender here, which is a pretty darn cool tool. We do link to this in the description as well, in case you're interested in taking a look at this. But certainly as you do this, it does get stuck in there, so you want to pull out all those pieces, and maybe pull out some of those stems and larger leaves as well.
There's a branch.
Then she just picks out some of those larger pieces. Like that one there, and maybe this one too. There we go. And now she's just making sure that all those leaves are very small pieces.
This I'm going to put it in the microwave because we didn't soften it yet. And I'll leave it sit out all day. I'll probably put it in, it's melty. If it gets melty, it's okay. But maybe like 20 seconds.
At this step, we just need 1 stick of softened butter. Ours was not softened, so she just softened it up a bit in the microwave. That works. Then she's moving on here to 1 large egg, putting that into the same large bowl. There we go. Now we're going to give that a nice thorough mixing here. Alright, that's looking really good there. Now she's moving on to 1.5 cups of flour, right into that same bowl. Next up here, you see she's adding 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, right into that same bowl as well. And after that, that is followed up with a baking soda, and only 1/4 teaspoon of the baking soda. Alright, my lovely bride, what do you got next? Looks like she's grabbing the salt, and she's going with 1/4 teaspoon of salt here. Okay, maybe just a bit more. And now it's time for some more mixing. Getting in the cardio today. Alright, I've slowed her back down here just so you can get a good look of the consistency of that mixture. That's looking nice and fully mixed. Let's move on. Time for some chocolate chips. 1/3 cup will do. And you know the drill, more mixing. And you're seeing my wife Julie here moving at 5 times her normal speed. And once you got this fully mixed, you want to try to find some space in that refrigerator and let that cool in there for 30 minutes. And when you get that back out, it's time to start preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Ours is already warmed up from the chicken we just got done cooking. Now using her cookie scoop, she's going to spread these out on the baking tray, 2 inches apart.
Looks like mint ice cream, Hanny.
That's our daughter Hannah's nickname. And yeah, it sure does look like mint ice cream, doesn't it? I'll take a double scoop in a waffle cone. She's got 8 of them spread out on that one tray, and now she's going to do the same thing on a second one. And then at the end of the video, you'll see 2 more go in the oven in the background. But these are going in now for 5 minutes at 350 degrees, at which time we're going to rotate these. And after that rotation, she's going to bake these for another 6 minutes, for a total of 11 minutes. And just like that, it's time to get these beauties out of there. Oh boy, that hot pad wasn't working for Julie. She's swapping that out for a nice oven mitt, which will work much better. Let's get these moved over to the island here, and this is where Julie will do a quick test using the baking stick. Perfect. These can be moved over to the cooling rack.
They look good. Get excited about cookies.
I think the chef wants a cookie. Oh, and it looks like Hanny wants one too. She just doesn't want to be on camera. And be sure to check out one of the other videos from our family by clicking right up here. Let us know what you think of these mint chocolate chip cookies in the comments below, and be sure to click that subscribe button. Until next time, God bless.